Hey, what's up? Doing another video here. I got one of my client's computer here. Check it out. Nice cool rig. It's an i7. Looking good. We have an issue with it. It's getting stuck. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can work it out and see what we do. Alright. Here's one of the methods. We're going to go ahead and try using our Windows installation CD and see if we can make this work. Alright, let's check it out. A few things I like to do before getting into it. Let's see if we can work with command prompt real quick. Do a little command real quick. Check the integrity of the operating system, the 32-bit or the 64-bit, or scratch that. It's just going to check the installation, the integrity of the installation, see if any files are corrupted or anything. Sometimes it rarely can fix your computer, very rarely, but it looks like it couldn't perform any requests, so it looks like it wasn't too much of a help. This will save your computer big time, but a lot of times nobody has a system image here to go back to. So that's what usually is the problem with this. If you periodically make sure you guys can do your system image right here, and it just takes a few seconds. I promise you, this could save you a headache, money, and time. Definitely. Alright, moving on. We're gonna go ahead and try out startup repair, see if that helped us out. Sometimes just giving the computer a little nudge. So, came back real quick. Good sign. Here we go, finishing up this computer. After all, the client wanted a 2 terabyte because the little drive here completely went out. Actually, the drive's working. It's the M.2 slot that's on the motherboard that went out. So instead of repairing the motherboard, the little bypass, he was okay with it. So we're gonna go ahead and go with that. So and then the gentleman wanted a 2 terabyte instead of a 500 gig. So we went ahead and update. Now we're installing Windows, and we should be good to go. Booting up, and we went to go ahead and got the Evo 870. This is one of the great speeds. You see, it has 560 megabytes with 530 megabytes read and write speeds. So this is a great product, and now it's doing some updates, and we should be good to go. And this fixed the whole computer issue. The only thing is, he's just not going to be able to use solid state drive M.2 stick any longer in this build, but there's no reason to change it. If you're a gamer, you'll make it work. We went with the Evo, so like that, it was a nice speed with it, so we're not compromising speed because the SSDs, these do go a little faster, so hopefully you won't see a difference. So, all right. If you enjoyed watching, thumbs, subscribe, appreciate it. And here we go. Boom. Windows. Alright, that's all she wrote. Stay tuned for another video. Later.